Hi, it's Anna with WTI. I wanted to share this new cabinet I got for our living room. It is wonderful to have. This thing doesn't look very big, but it holds so much stuff. It has been a game changer. So these handles I think are so cute. They're little gold triangles, and the detail on this that makes the V on the doors is a really shimmery gold. It's really, really pretty. I love it. Inside, look at all this stuff I was able to take out of my kitchen cabinet so I have a little bit more space. So tons of storage. I love it. It also just looks really stylish in our dining room. It's also high enough off the ground that our Roomba can fit underneath it. On the back is a little cutout, so if you do have anything that needs plugged in that you're storing in there, like a TV cabinet, this would be perfect for that. It was fairly easy to put together. It took me less than an hour by myself. When you first open the box, the first piece you'll see is this broken piece of wood, but don't panic, that is just there to protect the actual cabinet from breaking. So if you are in need of some extra storage, this super stylish cabinet would go perfect in your dining room, in your living room, as an entry table, as a nightstand. It could serve so many purposes. Highly recommend you get it, and that's my point of view.